Hi, my name is Sunil. I am from Hindran Technologies. We are at the rooftop of the residence of Mr. Raghunath Sosle. Here we have implemented a grid connected system, both the grid connected and a hybrid system of 9.92 kilowatt. Solar panel output comes into these junction boxes. This is a 3-in-1 out array junction box. This is a 2-in-2 out junction box. Both of them we have fuses on both positive and negative sides, and we have the surge protection device on both of them, and we also have a ECA circuit breaker or a MCB. The power from this junction box goes into the inverter, which we will show you now. This is the electrical panel room. So here we have all the inverters and the controls. This is a grid tie inverter. This is a hybrid inverter. This is a charge controller, circuit breaker, distribution box on the AC side. Here is the fuse for the batteries, and now we have 4 batteries of 200 Ah. You would have seen in the previous videos that where we have told you that for a grid tie system to work, the grid is mandatory. Here this is a hybrid system. Here what it does is, for this inverter to work, the grid is not mandatory. That is, as long as there is sunlight available and there is a load in the house, this inverter converts the DC to AC and powers the loads of the house. However, when there is DISCOM power available and if there is any excess energy generated, this will also export the excess energy into the grid. So far as the working of the system is concerned, the DISCOM power is not mandatory for the hybrid systems to work. As you can see, there is a 48 volt battery. Okay, so this also works at 48 volts and also acts like your normal UPS. For example, if there is no power supply during the night times, this also acts as a UPS and continues to power the loads of the house through the batteries, what you can see here. The power output from the inverter comes here. Here we have a ELCB, a SPD and a MCB, and this is a generation side meter or a check meter. This measures the energy generated by the solar panels alone. Okay, from here it's connected into a bus bar, and this is the bi-directional meter. This meter measures both the import and export of energy. As you can see, this system was commissioned on the 15th of March 2018, and today we are on the 28th of March. We can see the export-import readings now. 169.9, 170 units of energy, and exported 325.4 units of energy in the last 12 days. Thank you very much.